Okay, first time cutting grain sorghum, aka Milo. We've never done this before, so it's a new experience for us. Oh, something's beeping at me. Oh boy, don't plug anything, Tommy boy. Okay, that's complaining to me. Alright. Oh boy. This is weird. The head's gonna keep griping that I got a sensor that's failed or something, but oh, I see some going in the bin. Okay. Here we go. Sorghum Sunday, I call it. Welcome back to the way we farm. Look it, we're combining. Our grain sorghum is finally ready. I gotta test the moisture when I get to the end. We started earlier. It's the 19th of November. We started earlier and we did 0.8 of an acre and it snowed so hard we had to quit. But that's okay. We didn't plant it till Father's Day. We should have planted it around Memorial Day. Next year we'll know better. So we got the air reel. The air reel's almost turned up too high. It's blowing too much stuff out of the head. But now we reset the yield monitor. I have no idea how far off that is. Troy's gonna weigh a load when he takes it by the neighbor's dairy farm, weigh it on their scales, but it says it's yielding good. I hope it's dry enough. Follow along. It's making a mess here in front of the head. I'm not sure what's going on, but take a look at that mess. That stuff's flying, the leaves are flying around, it's green. We're cutting it high, but that's what you're supposed to do. I think I'm getting all the heads. Firestone tires. So we want to get this off, get a cover crop planted. It's a little too late for a cover crop, but we're making our first pass in a 62-acre field. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully it yields great. I'm excited. First time ever dumping sorghum on the go. Oh, look at that. This stuff goes through hard. I got the concave closed down quite a ways, and yeah, she's going through hard. I still think I got the air reel turned up too high, but that's okay. We'll get her dialed in. We're trying to, we did about 2.2 acres and the full bin buzzer's on. The bin was rounded right up full, so I don't know how it's yielding, but if it's close to 100 bushel, I'm going to be happy. So we got 17.5 acres done so far. I took the drive shaft off of the air reel because it seemed to be just blowing the stuff around. I don't think I need it. It's feeding pretty good. I still don't know what I'm doing. It's testing 20% or so. So the sun's going down. It's going to get tough. It's clear. The humidity's high. Probably going to have a little light frost tonight, but so far so good. We got a good jag of the field done. It's 62 acres here, so we got a nice start on it. Tomorrow with a little bit of luck we'll get her done. We're going to go put the first load in the bin tonight and see what happens. There's a cardinal flying up there through the stuff. Even the birds like it. Oh, wait a minute, it is birdseed. Monday morning, back at the Milo field. It's a little after 11. We had a nice frost last night. That ground froze over 1 inch deep. So Troy dished a few of the stalks. We put like 2.5 bushel of wheat on per acre. It's a little late, but we're hoping it's gonna grow. So we had a heavy frost, but the leaves feel dry, the heads feel dry. We're gonna get started. We got about 40 acres left here. It's not real fast going. We got the truck, oh, there's a sexy 400. We got the truck parked up there in an old road bed, so it's gonna take a little while to get it over there. Warming up to 4650 and the 9670, and the sun's shining. We're gonna cut some Milo. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully this is our new money crop. So it's 29 degrees. Luckily there's a little breeze blowing. We're almost done. We got one round left. He's gonna go put some in the truck. The rest should fit in the cart, or as we like to call it in Western New York, the grain buggy. So the only saving grace is it's breezy tonight. Otherwise, I think we'd have been frosted out. So we broke a feeder house chain today. Bad beginning, good ending. My grandmother always said, oh, my cart driver's running away. I got to speed up a little bit. Going through pretty good. Seems to be yielding pretty good. So let's go unload a truck in the dark and talk more about grain sorghum, AKA, I still prefer to call it Milo. So it's 28 degrees. So we're dumping the last load of Milo. Oh, this is good. Got the 4320 on the auger. Milo goes up the auger a lot quieter than corn. Oh, I'm glad we're done with it. A little after 9 o'clock at night, I'll be in the house before 10. Hope my wife's got dinner ready. I know she will. So we spread like 2.5 bushel of wheat on here. And Troy's disking our Milo stalks. We're not sure if we need to disc them or not, but we think it'll be a better seed bed